Hi everyone, this is Oriol, part of talent acquisition team, talent acquisition manager in AudaCity Capital. And I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys because I'm seeing a lot of people that are coming new to the market and they really have a lot of misconceptions about how it really works, how trading really works. And I just wanted to give a quick video with a #1 tip, with the tip that I would give a newbie trader, someone that's just starting out. It's something that I would have appreciated a lot really, especially when I first started out, because although I did have support from AudaCity and so on, I didn't have this one tip or something like that someone with more experience gave me at the beginning. So this one tip is very simple, which is to stop looking for a holy grail in trading. So it happens to a lot of people. It happened to me as well when I first started trading. I was looking for different strategies all the time, and this is exactly how the process was going. So first of all, I would find a strategy that works really well. For example, simple support and resistance. This works really well, and I'm making money this way. I can backtest 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks. I wasn't doing back then, but I just see it today that it works well. So it might make money in the markets. So then the second step is I just try it for a bit. It works, it makes money, and I'm great. It's great, and then it stops making money, obviously. And then it starts losing money. It has a bit of losses, 3 or 4 losses, and then I would just change the strategy. I would get nervous. I would think it doesn't work. I'm not gonna make I'm not gonna be rich trading this. Let me just change the strategy. It's probably the strategy that's not working out. Something's not working there. So I would just go online and try to find a new strategy and repeat the same process all over. So doesn't work, find a new strategy. As soon as it stops working again, find a new strategy, and so on. It's a vicious cycle. It repeats over and over again, and it doesn't allow you to make money, really. That's not how trading works. So you have to understand that trading is actually a probability game. So it's about having a strategy that works well, something like what we teach here in AudaCity Capital, and then applying it consistently. So that's where your psychology comes into place. So you must understand the probabilities of your strategy. For example, if a strategy has 70% probability, that means that 7 out of 10 trades will make a profit on average. The trick is that you don't know when the sequence of winnings or sequence of losing trades are gonna come for you. So it might be, for example, 7 wins, 7 losses, or 14 wins and the rest losses. You never know how this is gonna work. So what people do is they start trading, and as soon as they hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses in a row, they get nervous and they start thinking, oh my God, this is not how it works. I must change my strategy now. And they go online and try to change their strategy. That's a big mistake. That's their holy grail that they're trying to find, which doesn't exist, and it's gonna make them waste their time. What we teach you here in AudaCity is to stop looking for that. Just stick to one simple strategy, make it as simple as possible so you don't get confused when trading on the markets, and then just working on yourself. So working on why am I trying to find a new strategy? Why am I not believing this strategy is working, and so on. Most of the times you're gonna find that once you have that good strategy that actually works and is back tested, because you need to know that you need to back test it as well. So a strategy doesn't work out by itself. Even if you think it works out, you need to know that it works for sure. You need to go 1 year, 2 years back in time and test it under market conditions. See how it would have actually performed under market conditions. If then you have a positive return, you know that the strategy works. And if something's not working in your trading, then it's your problem and not the strategy's problem. That's something we focus a lot here in AudaCity. We like to focus on the psychology a lot as well. Obviously, first we teach you how to trade, how to perform well. And once that, if something's not working, we focus on your psychology. Hope this was helpful, guys, and we'll see you in the markets.